In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a productivity sheet in Google Sheet. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable tracker for tasks, priorities, and progress, plus a quick way to review your day and week. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank spreadsheet. Give it a clear name so you know exactly what it's for. Something like 2026 Productivity Tracker works great and keeps your goal front and center. Next, set up your structure. In row 1, add your column headers from left to right: date, task, category, priority, status, deadline, and notes. These will live in columns A through G. Bold row 1 so it stands out from your data as you scroll. And feel free to widen columns a bit so your text doesn't feel cramped. This small bit of formatting will make the sheet easier to read and use daily. For organization, decide on a short, consistent list of categories for column C. Examples you can start with are client work, content creation, admin, sales or prospecting, and personal. Keeping categories simple and consistent will make your summaries more accurate and help you see where your time is actually going. Now let's make data entry faster and more consistent with dropdowns. For priority in column D, select the entire column, then go to Data and choose Data Validation. Add a list of options: high, medium, and low. This prevents typos and keeps your priorities standardized. Do the same for status in column E with options like Not Started, In Progress, Completed, and Follow Up. Using dropdowns ensures cleaner data and better reporting later. Add a visual boost with conditional formatting so progress pops. Select column E, click Format, then Conditional Formatting. Create a rule that checks if the text is exactly completed and set a green fill. Now every time you mark a task as completed, it will highlight automatically and give you an instant sense of momentum. Below your main table, add a simple daily summary. Type labels such as total tasks, completed tasks, and completion rate. Next to those labels, enter the formulas. For total tasks, use equals counte B2 B E100. For completed tasks, use X count EF E2, E100 completed. And for completion rate, use count EF, E2, E100 completed. Counte, B2, B100. After that, format the completion rate cell as a percentage so it's easy to read at a glance. Finally, create a weekly view. Add a new sheet tab and name it Weekly Summary. Use it to track your total tasks, how many were completed, how many were revenue tasks done, and any missed deadlines. This overview helps you review what worked, spot bottlenecks, and plan the coming week with clarity. That's your productivity sheet, ready to use and refine as your workflow evolves.